Hello and welcome to a study guide edition of Math is Still Math. All right, 8th grade. According to the Nearpod, these are the problems you requested, the types of problems you requested for me to go over for tomorrow's assessment. So let's get into it, starting with spheres, the number one requested shape by far. So looking at this one, we are trying to find the volume of a sphere. We can use pi or 3.14 for pi. Okay, so it gives us a radius of 9 units. So, pretty straightforward. The formula for a sphere is 4/3 pi. That means multiply times pi times the radius to the third power. So in this case, that's going to be 4/3 times pi. I'm going to leave it as pi. And the radius is 9, so that'd be times 9 times 9 times 9. Let's see what that comes out to be. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply these like they're fractions, like 9/1, 9/1, 9/1. So that'd be 4 times pi, and that'd be pi over 1. So it'd be 4 times 9 times 9 times 9 pi. So it'd be 4 times 9 times 9 times 9. It'd be 2916. So we would end up with 2,916 pi over 1 times 3 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 over 3. 2 and 9 is 11. 12. Yeah, that'll divide by 3. So, and if you didn't know the divisibility rule, if you add up the digits of a number and then their sum is divisible by 3, the original number is divisible by 3. Well, 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 1 is 12. Plus 6 is 18. And that's divisible by 3. So it was 2196 divided by 972. So this is all equal to 972 pi. And if you decided to use 3.14, I would just take that and multiply by 3.14. And it says either use and enter an exact answer in terms of pi, or so it would take 3052. 3052. Whoa. 3052 and 800. So either one of these would be fine. 972. And it gives me the ability to click pi. So 972 pi should work out. Sweet. We got there. I had a lot of requests for these. These were the spheres that have fractions as a radius. Enter the exact answer. Okay, so we want the volume, again, in exact terms of pi, or using 22/7. Okay, I can do it both ways, just in case you want to see it. So the formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. So 1/2 is our radius, so that'd be 4/3 times pi over 1 times 1/2 times 1/2 multiply. Alright, so all the top, that'd be 4 times pi times 1 times 1 times 1. It'd be 4 pi on top. 3 times 1 times 2 times 2 times 2. 3 times 1 is 3, times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 2 is 24. So that'd be 24 pi. I'm sorry, 4 pi over 24. Those can both be divided by 4. So that would be pi over 6. Wait. They give me this. So that would be pi over 6. Which worked out. Okay. And if I didn't want to use, can I still write on this? Yeah. And if I wanted to not use pi, like if I wanted to use 22 over 7, I would have, like instead of pi over 1, I would have done 4/3 times 22 over 7. 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. And that would have turned out to be, okay, so 4 times 22 is 88. I could have done that in my head. Silly. Alright. So that would have been... Those are horrible 8s. 88. Over 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, that'd be 8, 24. 24 times 7. 140, 168, I believe. 3 times 7 times 2 times 2 times 2. Yep, 168. And those would simplify it down quite a bit. Divided by 4 would be 42. And this divided by 4 would be 22. That'd be 11 over 21. Divided both by 2 again. So yeah. So you could have done it either way. But I'm kind of enjoying just leaving pi by 11 myself. Okay. This one gives us the radius of 2. So that'd be 4/3 times pi over 1 times 2 over 1 times 2 over 1 times 2 over 1. So that'd be 4 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. That'd be, so 8 to be 32 pi over 3. Let's see if it takes that. 32 pi over 3. We'll take that. Cool. Yeah. Just same rhythm. 4/3 pi over 1, 5 over 1, 5 over 1, 5 over 1. These are pretty easy. They haven't given me any where it's the diameter or anything tricky. Excuse me. 4 times 5 times 5 times 5. It's 500. So it'd be 500 pi over 3. 500 pi over 3. Because 3 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 3. So that'd be 500 pi over 3. Yeah, okay. The next most requested shape was the cone. So either enter an exact answer or, I'm a fan of using pi right now as my go-to. But you could use 3.14, totally acceptable. So this one, so the formula for a cone, get an actual pen right here, is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. So in this case, that would be 1/3 pi over 1. The radius, that's the 10. That'd be 10 times 10. 10 over 1. 10 over 1, and the height is 6 over 1. So 1 times 10 times 10 times 6 would be well, 10 times 10 is 100, 600, and then pi. So 600 pi. Pi over 3 times 1, so it'd be over 3. 600 divided by 3 would be 200 pi. And if you actually multiply 200 times 3.14, that answer would be fine as well, but I'm just going to say 200. Okay, got that one. Find the volume of the cone. Enter the exact answer or in terms of pi, which I'm going to do, instead of multiplying by 3.14, so that'd be 1/3 times pi over 1 times the radius, which is 2, so it'd be times 2 over 1 times 2 over 1 times the height, which is 9 over 1. Well, 1 times 2 times 2 times 9. That'd be 436. That'd be 36 pi. 3 times 1 would be 36 pi over 3. So 36 divided by 3 would be 12. So it'd be 12 pi. Let's see if that works. 12 pi. Sweet, that's the volume of this cone. Again, they're not hiding anything at all. They give you the height, they give you the radius, and they just say do it, okay? That'll be 1/3 pi r squared, so that'll be pi over 1, r is 4, so it'll be 4 over 1, 4 over 1, and we're just going to multiply everything together times 10 over 1. Well, 1 times 5 times 4 times 4 times 10, that'd be 16, that'd be 160 pi, so that's 160 pi over 3 times 1 is 3. That is not divisible. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 0 is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3, so 160 is not divisible by 3, so I'm just going to leave it. Is 160 pi over 3. And you could have put in 3.14 for that and divided and rounded to the nearest hundredth, and that would have been fine. Just for you to see that, that would have been 160 times 3.14 divided by 3. So 167.47. 167.47. That would be rounded to the nearest hundredth. So it would have taken that as well. Nothing changed. Find the volume. So that'd be 1/3 pi r squared. That's a 6. That means 2 6s. Times the height. That'd be 6 times 6 is 30. 36 times 4, make that fast. 140. Yeah, okay. So it'll be 144 pi over 3. One and 4 is 5. That can be divided. So what's 1 from 4 divided by 3? 48. So it'll be 48 pi. Not 8, 48. Please don't get them wrong in the assessment because you misclicked. Okay, well there's cones. And after that, these word problems. They look pretty fun. I like them. I like how they're involved and make you think. But I think some of you quit a little too early on these. I think you could get them if you stuck it out. So, Thomas loves tomatoes. He plans to fill the container shown below with the soil to grow his own tomato plants. The dimensions of the container are shown in inches. How much soil will the container hold? Either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14. Okay. Well, this is a cylinder, so that's going to be... That's pi r squared times the height. So pi over 1 times the radius, which would be 10 over 1. I'm not sure I need to do denominators. 10 over 1, and the height is 20. Yeah, it looks like I didn't have to do denominators. Anyway, so that'd be 10 times 10 times 20, so that'd be 100, that'd be 2,000 pi. Yeah, there's 3 zeros. Oh, okay. That's how much soil it'll hold. Next. A French fry stand at the fair serves their fries and paper cones. Oh, one of my classes yesterday requested this one. So we've got a cone. We have a cone that holds French fries. The cone has a radius of 2 inches and a height of 6 inches. Okay, hang on. Radius is 2 inches. The height is 6 inches. Okay. It is a challenge to fit the narrow cones with their long fries. They want to use new cones that have the same volume as their existing cones, but have a larger radius of 4 inches. Okay. So the new radius is going to be 4 inches. We just don't know what the height's going to be. Okay, so I guess the first thing we should do is figure out what is the volume of the original. So that'd be 1/3 pi r squared times the height. So it'd be pi over 1. 1/3 pi r squared, so it'd be times 2 over 1. Times 2 over 1. Times 6 over 1. Okay, so the 2 times 2 is 4 times 6, that'd be 24 pi. Over 3, which would be 8 pi. So the original cone has a volume of 8 pi. And what they're saying in this problem is that we want this one to have the same volume. So the volume is 8 pi, we just don't know what the height is. So this is where that undo math is going to happen. So that'd be 1/3. Actually, let me back up. 8 pi is going to be equal to 1/3 times pi times 4 over 1 times 4 over 1. And then we don't know what the height is. Okay, so that means we would have 8 pi equal to all the tops multiplied by 1 times pi times 4 times 4 times h. So that'd be 16. Pi times the height, I believe. Let's see, 1/3 pi r squared times height. Yeah, 16 pi times the height all over 3 is equal to 8 pi. Okay, so now we've got to do some. I love doing balance math. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna multiply both sides and change it. I'm gonna multiply both sides times 3. So these cancel out. So I end up with 24 pi equals 16 pi times the height. And now I will choose different color. I will divide both sides excuse me, by 16 pi to get h by itself. That goes away, that goes away. So we will be left with just the height. Alright, so pi and pi cancel each other out. 24 and 16. Well, they can both be divided by 8. Yeah. So that'd be 3 over 2. Huh. So that's 1.5 inches for the new height, according to all this. Let's see what it says. 1.5 inches. Hey, it took it. Sweet. So this one, I guess this, as I'm reading it, I guess it's just hoping that you know that a beach ball is a sphere. Ariel is filling a giant beach ball with air. The radius of the ball is 30 centimeters. What is the volume of air that the ball will hold in terms of pi or U3? Okay. Well, that'd be 4/3 times pi over 1 times the radius to the third power. So this would be big. 30 over 1. 30 over 1. 30 over 1. Goodness gracious. This is gonna be enormous. Okay, so it'll be 4 times 30 times 30 times 30. 108,000. 108,000. 108,000 pi over 3. Fortunately, I can actually divide that by 3. Yeah, 36,000. So that'd be 36,000 pi. Uh, 36,000 pi. 36. 1, 2, 3. Pi. There it is. All right. Sweet. We got a hazards. Okay. A fruit bowl, which is half of a sphere, is shaped like half. See, there it is. Half a sphere. The radius of the bowl is 15 centimeters. What is the volume of the bowl? Okay. We'll do purple. Okay, so we're gonna do the same as the sphere, like the actual sphere. So we're gonna do the volume of the whole sphere, and then divide by 2 at the end. So 4/3 pi r to the third power. The radius is 15, so it'll be 15 over 1, 15 over 1, 15 over 1, 4 times 15 times 15 times. Whoa, that's a 5. Please catch yourself when you make those mistakes. Okay, let's start that over. 4 times 15 times 15 times 15. Okay, 4 times 15. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 0, 0, pi over 3. 13500 divided by 3. 4,500 pi. Okay, 44,500 pi. Now that's the volume of the entire sphere. However, we need half. So what is this divided by 2? 2,250. So 2,250 pi. 225. And then, boink. Well, there it is. Well, these are the lessons that were most requested on Nearpod. I hope they've been of assistance to you. Please email me, ask questions before the assessment. Go back through these and watch me and how I solve them. And again, just remember that math is still math.